Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 20th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the dollar Swiss daily, it's been so sideways all month. August is normally a very slow month, and this August is definitely no different. It still looks like the possible end of a correction. It looks like it tried to make an engulfing move to the upside at a Fibonacci level, so I was thinking that it was possibly going to go up, maybe even grab some of these highs before we potentially get a move down. So anyways, taking it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame, extremely sideways price action. On the 1 hour, it kind of looks like it's trying to end the correction. It kind of looks like an ABC. This looks like a possible A, this looks like a possible B, this is a possible wave C. So as of right now, the momentum on the 1 hour is definitely down, and it may just keep on going down to these lows. Just keep an eye on it because it could, grab either these lows or these lows and then turn back up and grab those higher highs that I was showing on the daily time frame before it makes its big move to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.